तालीम दी नहीं जाती परिंदों को उड़ानों की. तालीम means education. परिंदे means birds. तालीम दी नहीं जाती परिंदों को उड़ानों की. वो तो खुद ही जान जाते हैं ऊंचाई आसमानों की. Dreams, goals, challenges. Win, victory, success. These powerful words sound really amazing to our ears. But the real happiness comes when you hear of your victory, your success. Achieving something isn't very easy. Success demands hard work, determination, concentration, stress, and the most important thing is that you don't have to give. Many obstacles will come in your life. You will have to face many challenges. You will have to bear huge stress, but you don't have to give. Work hard, move ahead, become restless, give up everything that comes your way, but never give up on your dreams, your goals, and your happiness. Sachin Tendulkar, God of cricket. You may not be aware of his real life story. He started with bowling. Yes, he started playing cricket as a bowler. He thought he could make good career in cricket by bowling. But one day, his coach asked him to leave cricket as he was not a good bowler. Sachin Tendulkar's life was cricket. He could not give up. He thought, I cannot bowl, but I can start with batting. Then the time came when he started playing cricket as a batsman. Worked very hard, but never gave up. And today, he is the best batsman in the world, the Master Blaster. A man, he was a bus conductor. He had to earn money for his meals, so he became the bus conductor. But he knew that he was not born to be this. He was born to be someone else. He worked very hard and became an actor. Yes, I'm talking about one of the best actors, Rajinikanth. A chaiwala became the PM of our country. Amitabh Bachchan, he was rejected by radio for his not so effective voice. But later, his voice became his biggest asset. कोई भी लक्ष्य इंसान के प्रयास से बड़ा नहीं होता. कोई भी लक्ष्य इंसान के प्रयास से बड़ा नहीं होता. हारा तो वो है जो लड़ा नहीं. ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ तो क्या मजा है जीने में. ना संघर्ष ना तकलीफ तो क्या मजा है जीने में. बड़े बड़े तूफान थम जाते हैं जब आग लगी हो सीने में. जब आग लगी हो सीने में. To give an example is very easy, but to become one is really very difficult. Success is achieved when you work hard as badly as you want to breathe. Always remember, resting is rusting. Facing a challenge is what makes life interesting, and overcoming it is what makes life meaningful. If you cannot fly, then run. If you cannot run, then walk. If you cannot walk, then crawl. And if you cannot even crawl, then at least move. But don't sit idle. You know, there was one great publisher, a very successful publisher, but he was disappointed by one thing. He said, the first book which I wished to publish was published by someone else. Did you understand? वो सोचता ही रह गया मैं करूँगा जरूर करूँगा, पर इतनी देर में किसी और ने कर भी दिया. If you want to achieve success in your life, you have only two choices. Either do what you love. Either do what you love or start loving what you are doing. This is the key to success. You should have the affinity for the work you do. Either we talk of a sports person or an actor or an artist, every success story says that the person was in love with it. He was mad for it. It was his life. सक्सेस उसे नहीं मिलता जिसे चाहिए होता है. सक्सेस उसे नहीं मिलता जिसे चाहिए होता है, बल्कि उसे मिलता है जिसे चाहिए ही चाहिए होता है. अगर आपको राजाई पानी है, अगर आपको अपनी जिंदगी में राजाई पानी है, तो रजाई तो छोड़नी पड़ेगी. दिस मीन्स if you wish to live like a king in future, if you wish to live like a king in future, then you will have to leave the comfortable blankets in the present morning of winters. Once there came a news that a very small boy came under a heavy bulldozer. His mother was standing beside him, and as soon as she saw him, she became so powerful that she was able to lift up the bulldozer and kept it in the air till the boy came out. Women being known to be physically less strong, how she did that. She was again asked to do the same, but this time she said, I cannot do this again because my child is no more under the bulldozer. Did you understand the story? This is the willpower. This is the emotional part. This is actually what we call the belief system. It can make you or it can break you. You can become mentally strong or strongly mental. Friends, believe me, you can do anything. And with this word anything, I mean anything. Every time you feel hopeless in your life, just say to yourself, I can do all things. World has done before me, and I can also do it. Everything is so easy for me, and then see change in yourself. Always remember, where there is will, there is way. जब कोई इंसान पूरी शिद्दत से किसी काम को करना चाहता है, जब कोई इंसान पूरी शिद्दत से किसी काम को करना चाहता है, तो उसे दुनिया की कोई ताकत रोक नहीं सकती, क्योंकि तब खुदा उसके साथ चलने आ जाता है. आप एक कदम तो बढ़ाओ, फिर देखो भगवान कैसे अपने हजारों कदम आपके लिए बढ़ा देगा. At last, I just want to conclude my words by saying, पंखों को खोल, पंखों को खोल, क्योंकि जमाना सिर्फ उड़ान देखता है, जमाना सिर्फ उड़ान देखता है. Thank you, and one thing I'll be very grateful to tell you all that, though this speech was written by me, but truly saying, every word, every line, every quotation and every shairi in this speech was inspired by my very respected, my idol, Sir Saurabh Luthra. I want to say a great thanks to him, and I also want to say a special thanks to Sir Virat Arora for trusting me and giving me this beautiful opportunity. Thank you, sir.